Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to show you something kind of fun. I'm about to go up a little hill through a tunnel. In my rearview mirror there's a little Honda that thinks he's going to push me a little bit. So I got it pegged cruise control about 65. I'll take the cruise control off. Now he's right behind me, as you can plainly see. So I'll basically get up through the tunnel and then we'll let him experience the V8. Not too much of a view up here, but here comes the tunnel. Hey, there's a Honda. Yay. Okay, here we go. I didn't think so. Yee-hee.